Whew. It's freezing. So hopefully you can tell I've upgraded the microphone. Went out on the weekend, picked up a new Rode mic. Woo! So hopefully the quality compared to the last video, link somewhere up here, it's going to be way, way better. The focus thing, we're still working on how to shut the friggin' focus thing up, but work in progress. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go somewhere. I'm going to tell you about a new thing we're going to add to the channel. But first, we need to get changed, because I don't know if you guys can see, it's freezing. So let's go get changed. Okay, so I think we're good to go. Perfect. Okay guys, so we've finally arrived here. I'm going to tell you straight away what this is going to be. We're creating a new playlist called Wash Wednesdays. All I want it to be is kind of a bit like a 2-minute segment. I can showcase you a cleaning product or anything like cleaning products. It's going to probably be cleaning products. Yeah, so Wash Wednesdays. It's going to be a thing. It's going to be every Wednesday I'm going to upload a video. We're going to showcase a cleaning product and show you how to use it. If it's any good, if it's a load of rubbish, save you guys from buying it too. So yeah, enough about me mumbling. What I want to do is I'm just going to, you know, give it 2 minutes on the clock and we're going to see what this is all about. The product we're going to review today is the Meguiars Reflect Tire Shine. So yeah, a little tip is if your car is absolutely grafted, this weather, you know, it comes with it. It's winter time still. But if you want your car to have that little bit of an extra shine to it, if you just tire black your wheels, when you're driving past people, I personally think the car looks instantly cleaner. Okay, so the big question, is it any good? In my honest opinion, it is the best you're gonna get. The Meguiars guys, they know the car cleaning stuff pretty freaking well. They do have the sort of the gel. Like I said before, it sprays off really, really easy. And I mean, like, it really sprays off. Like, I've pulled up places and then my car's covered, you know, left to right with black little spots. You think it's tar, but it's actually just tire shine. So this stuff, I mean, you saw the wheels and the tires before I sprayed this stuff on, and they were already dirty. So I mean, ideally, you clean your car, this comes on last, you wipe it in with a cloth. Like I said before, you spray this on, use a cloth, it ain't gonna look pretty, but it's gonna make your car look a hell of a lot cleaner. So in my honest opinion, if you guys see this in the store and you're thinking, I do need a new tire shine, I'm gonna get it. Wash Wednesdays, is there gonna be a thing? I think so. Peace. My name in my hand. Okay, just pass me from there.